Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Exec Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys the easy way to protect your WhatsApp line against hacker or fraudster that can hack your WhatsApp number. So if you are using WhatsApp and you have not set up this video is the best for you, because if you don't protect your WhatsApp and you get hacked, this is a very dangerous game that anybody can play upon it. And most importantly, if you are doing online business, you need to properly secure your WhatsApp and some other important networking whereby you connect with customers and all that. So I'm trying to share this video for you guys to see how best way you can protect your WhatsApp from hacker. Okay, so let's get today practical started. So as you can see right here, I'm going to use this my WhatsApp here. So I'm going to click on it right now. All right, so you need to tap on the top here, this three dots here at the top of your WhatsApp. So when you get here, then you need to click on setting. So when you get to this point, you need to go to security and privacy and security. Now here, you need to turn on two-step verification. Now from this point here, make sure you click on enable. So by doing this, your WhatsApp will be properly protected. Then here you will be asked to enter sys code. The sys code you will be remember whenever you want to open your WhatsApp in the future. So you type in there. So at this point here, you will be after you have entered every necessary information, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Enter the email address and click on next. Then confirm your email address and then click on save. Then here, click on done, because you have been verified and the WhatsApp has been properly protected. So click on done. Boom. So with this, your WhatsApp is 100% safe from being hacked. And I hope you guys find this video useful. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like. And lastly but not the least, remember to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks about WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.